Hi guys, this is Rashmi. Welcome to the channel, and this is the tutorial for Nadiyon Paar. If you haven't checked out my cover yet, please be sure to. And if you enjoy it and if you want to play it like the way I did, make sure to watch the tutorial till the end. I'm also going to be teaching you this bass riff. At the end of the video, so be sure to check it out till the end. Starting off, we put a capo on the 5th fret, and there are basically 3 chords, mostly 2 chords. And the way I played was, it is an A minor, and it's an A minor 7, the way I played it. So you play it like from the thickest to the thinnest string, you go 5. You mute the fifth number string, the 5th string, and you go 5, 5, 5 on the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string. That is an A minus 7. The next chord is a G7, and how do you play that? I like to fret the thickest string on the 3rd fret with my thumb, and on the 5th string you play nothing. On the 4th string you play the 3rd fret. On the 3rd string you play the 4th fret. On the 2nd string you play the 3rd fret. A G7. So that's an A minus 7, a G7. And I also like to play an F major 7, and you can avoid it if you want to, but I like to add it. So how do you play that? I like to again fret it with the thickest string, the F note, with my thumb, and on the 5th string you play nothing. On the 4th string you play the 2nd fret. On the 3rd string you play the 2nd fret. On the 2nd string you play the 1st fret. F major 7. And if this is a little tough for you, what you can do is basically just play a normal A minor, a G. Right? Why complicate things? So if you want to play an A minor the regular way, you can do 0, 0, 2, 2, 1, 0. An A minor, a G, that is a 3, 2, 0, 0, 0, 3. And an F, if you want, you can bar it if you want. I mean, why would you bar it? Just a normal F. You can avoid the thickest string and the thinnest string as well. So I like to kind of play my Fs like that only, to play the middle strings. It's kind of convenient. So you go 3, 3, 2, 1, the middle 4 strings. So these are the chords. And for strumming, there is no strumming as such, but for accompaniment, what I do is sometimes arpeggiate it, or so it's like pulsating, you know. O Nadiyon Paar se janda thara, Nadiyon Paar se janda thara. Okay. For the strumming, it is not a regular strumming. It's like more you pulsating. You pulsate 3 times, and you kind of lift your fingers as well. So you get this lifted dead effect, like you play and lift, so it becomes dead. Do that thrice, then you go, you know, strum upwards, go slap, pulsate thrice, up strum, slap. It's kind of pretty like tough, or something that is pretty hard to play on the guitar. So however you wish to play, you know, however you are singing this one, you can just change the strumming pattern accordingly. And yeah, I think that is it for the lesson. Okay, so at the end what I do is I play So if you want to play something like this, what you do is play an A minor, play an F. You don't have to play the barred way, but make sure that you fret the thicker string for the bassy effect. And you play an E. E is just played like an A minor, just like one string completely above, like all the strings. You move all the strings, you know, one string above. No. For E, you play 0, 2, 2, 1, 0, 0. So you play the pattern like A minor, F, pluck, 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 pluck. You play nothing, you pluck, open, then you go to E. A minor, F, so you pluck thrice on F, then you pluck all open, go to E. So you kind of get a similar sort of a sound like the original, according to my opinion. And if you want to play the bass riff, you go on the 5th fret according to the capo. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the A note. According to the capo, you play twice on the 5th, thrice on the 1st fret, on the 3rd fret of the E string, and then open on the E string. The whole riff is played on the 6th string, that is the E, the thickest E string. Again, if you go, that's 5th fret twice, 1st fret thrice, 3rd fret, open. It's fairly simple. Five, 1, 1, 1, 3, 0. Yeah. So that is it for the lesson. I hope you liked it. I'm trying to learn how to give better lessons. So if you enjoy and if you want more of such tutorials, please be sure to subscribe to the channel. That's going to really help me. And yeah, I think that is it for this one. So take care. Until next time. See you.